last few months I've really gotten into this whole axe throwing thing. I even started a blog called Throwing Axes dedicated to axe throwing. Heck, I even started an online store selling axes called theaxeshop.com. Plan is to test out every axe I sell on the site. And to test out every axe, I'm going to need my very own target. So this is a real simple design I made with 2x4s and replaceable 2x10s. All told, I probably have less than $50 into this guy. There are two main organizations in the urban axe throwing world. There's the World Axe Throwing League and the National Axe Throwing Federation. Each organization has their own specs for building a target, and for mine, I kind of just winged it. The WATL's target does have more rings and more point potential, but for this target, I went with the NATF version with less rings. With this target, I'm not trying to show any kind of favoritism, WATL over the NATF or whatever. I just really don't care about the point totals when I'm testing these axes. Really just care to see how well they perform on a target, basically a chunk of wood. So fewer rings just meant there was less measuring and less painting for me to do. For any of you that have not gone out and thrown axes for sport yet, do it. This is a sport where for the most part strength and size doesn't matter, so most anyone can partake. It's also a great way to release stress and just have some fun. Just imagine going to a bar and instead of throwing tiny little darts at a board, you're throwing no more than 2-pound axes at a big old chunk of wood. I'll admit, at first, getting axes to stick anywhere on the target, let alone in the bullseye, can be difficult. But as soon as you get those first couple throws to stick, you'll be hooked. And hey, even if you're not naturally inclined, you're getting a good workout, so that's nice. So, be sure to check out the Throwing Axes blog and theaxeshop.com to see me test out many new axes. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like it, and share with your friends and family, and see you on the next one.